Welcome to our video on object detection and recognition using convolutional neural networks, or CNN. Object detection is a key computer vision and image processing technology that identifies instances of certain classes, such as humans or animals, in digital images and videos. The main goal of computer vision is to simulate the behavior and working of the human eye. Object recognition is a core outcome of deep learning and machine learning algorithms. The goal is to enable computers to understand what an image contains, a capability that comes naturally to humans. Our objective is to study the remarkable advances in machine learning and pattern recognition, particularly those using CNNs. These advances are largely due to the increased parallel processing power from GPUs. We aim to find a more easy and efficient solution to existing challenges. Objection detection has broad applications, including object counting in images or frames, vehicle detection and tracking, security through the identification of suspicious objects, and character recognition in documents. Thank you for watching this video.